Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, let's update our view on the euro currency. So you can see, despite all my warnings that the overall background was not really supportive for euro this week, market slowly but stubbornly was able to complete the ABCD action on the intraday charts and complete 115 target. By this action, market actually has completed the harmonic swing that we have talked about recently. And now situation stands in the moment of truth. So this will be either downward continuation here, this harmonic swing has completed and market will continue this tendency, right? So this is, by the way, the idea of our free drive pattern, so 1618, because this low stands at the 1618 of this retracement. If we will calculate the 1618 here, we will get 1180 approximately, and it's kind of the AB equals CD action to the downside. Also we have here incompleted OP target of this ABC top. So COP target has been completed, it's OP, and it also coincides with the 127 extension of this retracement. So this target actually could be completed because below these lows, I suppose, exist of sufficient amount of stops that could increase the selling as soon as market will drop below it, and if this will happen. If market will able to hold at some intraday support area, we could get this kind of action. So you can see first harmonic swing is completed, retracement, and starting of the second harmonic swing. And it means that today, tomorrow, we need to keep an eye on what will happen on the major supports inside of this swing. If market will break major support here, we should be ready for this action. If it will able to hold, we could get greater ABCD pattern here. So that's in general the trading plan that we will be watching for. On the 4-hour time frame chart, our regardless triple to sell pattern has formed perfectly. So if you have taken the short position here, you could keep it and just move your stops to the break even and see what really will happen, because that's really strong support area. As you can see, this is OP target, it's confidence resistance 115, so it's reasonable pullback here. Now the major question is whether this pullback will continue or not. So in here we need to split the trading plan for those who believe that euro will go up, and for those who are watching for taking the short position, who believe that euro currency will drop here and continue downside tendency. So if you would like to take the short and you haven't taken the short here, then your trading plan is based on the upward retracement. So you need to take a look at the hourly chart. Here we have dropped down, and you need to keep an eye on the possible pullback here. It will be great if market will form, for example, regardless triple to sell. Retracement probably will be significant. Here is some kind of the hand shoulders could be recognized, but it's too narrow for treated as the real hand shoulders. Just watch for a pullback, and this retracement probably will be at least 50%, maybe even 618, 114.70. In this case, you could try to sell with the stops above confidence resistance here and above the OP target. So that's set up for those who would like to take a short position, because if market will continue upward action taking out of the stop, this will be clear that probably we will get the upward continuation. Additional signal that you could keep an eye on is this trend line. As you can see, market keeps it well, and if market will break it down, for example, this will be very good confirmation for you. For those of you who would like to take the long position and believe that market will continue to move higher, you currently could make the decision on position taking, because take a look, market stands on the trend line. Here is confidence support area, and here we have actually even minor double ripple buy pattern that has been formed. With a high probability, some pullback here will happen. If even market will not continue upward action immediately, and if even later we will get deeper retracement, for example, it could be kind of the A, B, C, D patient down, right? And later upward action will be reestablished. The first reaction on the confidence and on the support area probably will be with the pullback up. That will let you opportunity to take the to move your stop to the break even and just watch what will happen next. If market will continue action immediately, very well. If not, you will lose nothing, just will be waiting for another entry opportunity. So potentially, as I said, with the harmonic swings, if upward action will continue right from here, we will get action to the XOP target. It's also agreement with the 116 area. And that also will be two harmonic swings approximately. So we'll suggest it's a kind of the ABC action here will start. So it will be, as you can see, approximately the same double harmonic swing to the upside. So that actually two steps that we could keep an eye on. So if you have the bullish view and you think that market will continue to move higher, that's the moment where you could make the decision with the stops below the confidence. If you have the bearish view and you're searching chance to go short, keep an eye on bearish continuation pattern. For example, it could be Garter steeple to sell here and trying to take position somewhere around the extended fib level, so 618 level against this stop and against confidence resistance that we have on a 4-hour time frame chart. The one thing that should mention here is we do not want to see upward action, this kind of action. So you can see one candle up right to this area. It's better to not take the short position because it's too fast. Just watch for more clarity. But if it will be gradual, some kind of the ABCD action, well, that could be taken. So let's see. Today's important session. This will be a Fed announcement, rate decision, and commentaries on the common policy by the Fed. So it could really bring a lot of volatility on the market. It will be very important.